mother to stay alive, but it needs more. I can't help noticing how relaxed they are and attached to each other. Refreshed from the water, they seem visibly stronger. I think Lawrence Frank is right. Camignac's attachment to the calf suggests that she lost her pride at a critically young age. Still immature, the trauma probably fueled her quirky obsession. One thing's for sure, if she was with her pride, this never could have happened. Camignac's broken the rules of nature, but will nature now strike back? In the astonishing conclusion of Heart of a Lioness on Animal Planet.